These are the Blizzard 0G85s. They're lightweight wood core, carbon fiber wrapped, kind of carbon ski. Pretty mellow, definitely makes nice turns, nice and stable. No chatter, which everyone's hoping skis don't do these days, which is nice. So I was pretty impressed with them. Definitely going to be good for people doing lift access and tearing it up with the family. They're a little dead for me. I'm definitely a big carver. Not a whole lot of pop in them. Not a whole lot of pop, and really light, really light.